Alright guys, right, today I got an Mppt controller. We got a virus apparently. Let's put some gloves on. I don't get my hands covered in grease. Anyway, got this out of eBay. I got this from Amazon. These are connections for the solar cable. This is what we got from Amazon. Let's get opened. The knife. Well, I've got my gloves on for actually a nice bit sharp. I was showing somebody how it flicks out. I cut my hand, so that's why I got a glove on. Not because what's going on at the minute. Anyway, this here is the connection eyes. The eyes are for hooking up to the cable, hook up to the battery. So need this for later. More garbage. Garbage. Right. What we have here is EPEVER Tracer Series Mppt solar charge controller. It works on 12-24 volt. I got the battery, the 30 amp one. Yep, 30 amp, 12 volt, 24 volt. Dual battery solar charge controller. Okay guys, and this side here, it's upside down, that side there. Okay. Right, let's see what we get. This here obviously is for the, okay, this is for the batteries, for the temperature, for the batteries. I've also got, what's this for? Cut. We want to do some configuration, change some things around with the controller. We can do that via our laptop. Plug this into the laptop. And it also comes with a remote meter. So this here will be down in the garage, and this here the controller will be up in the van. I'm going to see if I can put it over by the where I got for the trimmer heater connection. Put it over there so it's all in one situ. Right. Just open this up by just throwing it. Okay, certification with quality control, it passed apparently. We've also got a manual. And solar controller. This is the latest one, this is the newest model. At the back, you see the fins, the cooling fins. Okay, that's the controller. So it's got what, solar in, battery out, and it's also got 2 connections for if you want a light, which I think I'll do. I'll hook this up to the light for in the garage at a later date. Right. It's also got this, which I'll figure out. There's a wee diode in it. Okay, it's for the temperature sensor. Maybe if you're not going to run it, okay. In this box, which has got the remote certificate, quality control passed, a little manual and instructions. So we'll keep these here. I'm sure I'll need. In the box we have fixing screws, and a cable, which hopefully is long enough. But it's hopefully long enough. And the controller. You think I'd make it a bit smaller, like, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, well, I think it's big enough so you can see the screen. Maybe smaller, but you won't be able to see shit. Anyway, that'll work. Keep that there. The screws with it, and the cable with it. So all this stuff here is for the controller. Alright. So I'll put the knife away. Let me cut these boxes up and get rid of them, and then I'll get set up and then we'll install this stuff, okay? So guys, this is the setup I have at the minute. This is the battery box. This is my small inverter. I don't really use it at all. And this is a smart battery charger, which I can plug in anytime I want. It's all fitted in there. So this is the only spare place I have. So this has been moved. I'll figure out where it's going to go. Gotta take this off to get into the battery box. So let's get over. Alright guys, the Mppt. I'll put it right about here. I think that's the best spot for it. I'll cable for there. Alright. What I want to do here is my C-Tech. So I've got this wire here is going to come off. You can see it. So this one here, this wire here is going to come off. That's the one for the that's live from the solar, and this is a negative from the solar. This is going to come off here. This will continue charging my batteries when the van's running. the C-Tech system. Okay, hopefully you can see. Alright guys, so hopefully you can see in here, that's the C-Tech. So the engine's running at the minute, so this is coming in, this is going out, negative, positive to the battery. So it's charging. So that'll run that while we're driving. And then get this one. EPEVER tracer. So we got here 43 volts, 15 volts coming in, obviously because I got the engine running, it's not coming off the solar. 12 degrees in the box, in the battery box. 43 volts coming in. Alright. That's it. 15 volts in the batteries. 12 degrees in the battery box. Volts. So this is a 30 amp Mppt solar charge controller. That's it. What's pretty good about this box is you got 42 volts, 42.6 volts, right? 15 volts, because I got the engine running at the minute, into the van. And here, it's 0.0 amps. So what it does is, it tells you also, which I think is brilliant, how many amps you're using. So at the minute, we've got 0.0 amps, right? Let's check it out when it turns up. Anyway, got the heating on, so we're at 0.2 amps. Alright, well, 0.1 amp at the minute. .3 amps, so it's going up slowly. 0.5 amps. Hey, let's turn the lights on. So I'll leave it on, see where she comes to. 0.5 amps just with the heating on. Now we're 1.6 amps. So we're 2.2 amps. Hope you can see this. So I've got the solar panel running at the minute, right? It's probably about 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the evening, and we got 38.6 volts running at 0.8 amps coming in, right? So pretty shit, because it's about 4:30 and it's cloudy. Right. So my heating, right? It's a Truma Combi 4, and it's running with the fan on economy, running around about 1.9 to 2.0 amps. That's what she's running at. Alright guys, just turn the TV on. What are we at? 2.0 amps. So guys, you can download an app on this also. You can run, like it says here, download software, and you can run it through your PC, through this bad boy. And you can also run your Android, get the app for the Android for your phone, and you can run it through it as well. And you can also run the Mppt, which is that controller. So you just all goes through the same thing. And I believe it. Well, not believe. You can also get a remote control. So it's like £20, or not remote. It's a Wi-Fi. It plugs into the port, and then you can run it off your phone. Oh, it costs like £20. It costs £29. Right. For the EPEVER, the Tracer AN series Mppt controller. The MT50, which is the control box somewhere there, which tells you all the amps you're using per item, like the fridge is 1.9 to 2 amps of the fridge running, that's with the compressor. The TV's around 1.92 to 2.1 amps. My lights are running around about 0.9 amps, so which is pretty good. So it tells you what your amp hours you're using, everything there. It's the whole kit. You get it from it's the newer one. I mean, it's the AN series that you're looking for. The AN series. I'll put a link down there on Amazon where I got it from. Check it out. I mean, the one I got is 30 amps, which means I can like throw in when I'm finished with these solar panels, I can rip them off and stick even bigger ones on there. I mean, but at the minute I'm running just over 300 watts on the solars. So anyway, this is all going into the house, into my office. Bit of reading to do so I can check out what's going on. I'll come in tomorrow. I'll run this through maybe my phone. I'm not gonna bring the PC out here. I'll sit in the van here with my phone. Check it out. So guys, the battery I have is a C-Tech system. It runs when the engine's running. Charge the battery. Brand new system. I've had it now for nearly 2 years, coming this September. Haven't had a problem with it. I ran through one of the solar panels through it, but now I've put it only runs up to 20. It'll accept up to 20 amps. The C-Tech when you're running solar through it. But if you're going over 20 amps with the solar, then you're better off going with one of these. But I say to just use the C-Tech for battery to battery, and then I have using this here for my solar. That's what I'm doing. Alright guys, I will keep you up to date with what this is doing, if it's doing a good job. But anyway guys, stay safe. I know what's going on, it's shit, you know what I mean? What are you going to do? But I thought I was going away last weekend in the van, but all this shit happened. It's like a full tank of fuel, full tank of LPG. The van's just sitting here, you know what I mean? What can you do? But this is at the back of the house here. I can sit and putz around and stay getting bored, play around, do things in the van. So that's what I will be doing. And there's no point throwing out videos every week about nonsense. So when I'm doing wee things in the van like this, like the solar controller, I'll show you. There are a few things I'll do next week. I gotta do some sawing and a wee bit of carpentry, that kind of stuff. Also, I won't tell you. I mean, I'll see you the next week. But anyway, guys, stay safe, be good, I'll catch you all next week. And don't forget, like and subscribe.